forward.
Mhm.
Okay, so these questions addressed, some of the challenges that parents might have in understanding. A lot of educators have also joined us for this webinar,
Mhm.
and a lot of them wanted to understand what should they do to observe in a classroom setting so that they are able to determine developmental milestones in a classroom setting.
Most of the educators are trained in early childhood, knowing when the child is having a delay. So one thing is to have an idea about development, an idea about this development milestone should have come at this age, and if it has not come at this age, maybe it is getting delayed. And second is the pre-reading and pre-writing skill, because we are talking about educators. So, thing is that this child is not writing. Why is the child not writing? Is the grip okay? Is the strength okay? Is the two finger thing okay? This child is not making a circle. Does the child knows colors? Because that comes in the pre-reading, pre-writing skills. So for educators, they have to know they have to have an idea about the checklist for development. If this should roughly come at this age, and what comes before and what comes after. I just give an example again in autism. Why is autism missed in the school many a times? Because many of the ASD kids are very good with numbers, colors, and shapes, alphabets, numbers, colors, and shapes. So there are times when we end up seeing children whose school is saying this child is fine. The child knows alphabets, numbers, colors, and shapes, and the child is only not socially very active. Otherwise, we have no concerns with the kid. But the child is not giving you eye contact. The child is not playing in the group. The child is not ready to communicate with others. The child is not interested in other kids. Is to be observed. That is a very important part of development. So it is ultimately a checklist which has to be there. Okay, this has to be achieved.
Definitely. So, dear educators, look for the checklist, stay aware about the developmental milestones, and that's how you would be able to help your kids better. So,